Law number 14. Pose as a friend, act as a spy. The relationship between Drake and Kanye West spans almost a decade. Drake has entailed Kanye on board to do a lot of things for him. Drake was being managed by Kanye's management team Hip Hop since 1978. Kanye directed the music video to Drake's first breakout single, Best I Ever Had, and produced the second single, Find Your Love, from Drake's debut album, Thank Me Later, alongside music producers No ID and Jeff Basker. Kanye West was very famous for bringing on songwriters and having his go-to music collaborators like Tony Williams, Kid Cudi, and Mike Dean. Drake took the same recipe and brought on an in-house production team like 1985, 40, and Boy Wonder. Kanye West collaborated with Nike for his Yeezy sneakers, then he got a deal with Adidas. Drake took his business model and collaborated with Team Jordan for his OVO sneakers. Drake moved to Calabasas where Kanye West and the Kardashians happen to live. He's also been spotted on several occasions at Kanye West's house collaborating on music and having dinner. Drake has also got songwriting credits on Kanye's The Life of Pablo songs Facts and 30 Hours. Kanye West also tweeted that Drake helped him with Father Stretch My Hands. Summary. In a 2013 Vibe magazine article, Drake stated that Kanye West is his only competition. This is a very important strategy because Drake needs to see and dictate what his only competition is doing in order to keep his power. If he doesn't know what his competition is up to or who his competition is working with, it puts him at a huge disadvantage. He also learned organizational structure from Kanye, but he also looks at him like a mentor. He also learned the music business from other important artists as well. When Drake was 19, he was paid $10,000 to be a part of a Dr. Dre songwriting camp, in which he said felt like a sweatshop. Drake ended up taking the same approach according to OVO sound artist Majid Jordan for the creation of his albums. Majid Jordan said that they were living out of tents in the studio where a bunch of people were gathered to work on his Nothing Was the Same album. This is the same tactic that Kanye West used for My Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy. Summary. In the music business, it's very important to keep an eye out on your competition. You must know what your competition is doing in order to stay one leg up on the competition. The music business moves fast, and if you don't move fast and keeping a leg up on your competition, you will be behind and you most likely will fail. Make sure to tune in next week Monday at 12 p.m. noon Eastern Time for another video on the laws of power.